This, this is the inside. This is what you call this long thing right. I got some grease up here to keep these from rotting, or keep it from start cracking and stuff. So there's some grease on there. Rub that more on there. But this right here, this cord, this long metal piece you see in here, that's what you call the steering column. Look at my horn. Toot toot, beep beep. What's that say? It says, can we focus? Horn, 12 volt, 1.5 amp. That's my horn. Beep beep. And look at this. I want you to see over here. Look at this dry rot. Do you see all this dry rot right here? That's the reason why they say that this stuff be cheap. And you should switch it out as soon as possible, because it starts to crack and dry rot and it just becomes useless. Supposed to be protecting all my electrical cords in there. If I can open it up. But what's the point if you just crack right open? These zip ties is so tight, man. Yep. Look at this. What is this supposed to be plugged to? Ah, the alarm system. Gotcha. So you can connect an alarm. I already have the hookup up in there. Put the plug on. I have a hookup for an alarm. Beans, I don't know if it will work. At the same time, you might think, well, put an alarm in there. No, because alarms drain your battery. I could get a independent alarm, put it like under the seat or something. But other than that, my flasher box. But yeah, that's behind the inside. Am I exposing ramen too much? Okay. So yeah, that's that. That's the inside.